Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I am playing Don't Press the Button number 4. There you go. The ball. Okay, watch this. I've already done some of this, but watch. I already won. Okay, whatever. Guys, I've been thinking about if we should get an intro. I was thinking of some kind of intro where it's but only for me and my dog adventure. Me and my dog are gonna have a few adventures, but I just logged onto this. Let me get the cola. Sip. Okay. Yeah, I'm still a banana. Oh no! Why? Frick you! Oh my gosh! Why? Here, I'm gonna turn it up 1. Ruffy, can you turn down the TV a bit? It's like really loud. Okay, why ain't you slipping? Boom! Oh, we get to slide down the slide. That kills us to death. This is very fun. See, look, you take a ball, throw it down, and then you run down the stupid slide. And then you try to get back up because it actually kills you. Oh wait! Daily reward! Always need it. Yay! $2,000. I'm trying to get the blow dryer. Don't go on the pads. All of them explode. None of them matter. Watch out. Okay. I'll listen to that. Bomb much. If you want to know what that... Yeah, look, watch. Watch this, guys. Boom. I'm already here. Hello. I still won first, so I just came back. So you want to push the stupid button. Let me push the button. Coin. Ah, frick you. I don't want a vacation. Ah! No! Why? Who did that? You're stupid. You are stupid. You know what? I'm gonna get another $1,000 and you're going down. You're gonna die. Yeah, make it brown. Make your head brown. I want to see it brown. Nice, crispy brown. Boom. Ah! Frick you! Frick you! Frick you! Oh my gosh! Frick you! Stop it! You frick! Ah! Ah! This is why I hate people. You guys would think that this actually kills you. You may have suspected that wrong. Don't go there. if you never buy, like, look, in order to survive that all the time, just buy this Bloxy Cola. I had a jetpack. I just couldn't get out of the stupid shop. Ugh. I'm playing with a controller. But... Okay, I need you guys to tell me whether you want more of these video gaming episodes, or if you guys want... I want you guys to tell me if you like these video games, or if you want me to, do some more of those, like, reaction videos, or some more, videos where we do, what's it called? Or we do more videos for, okay, and then more videos maybe for, like, you know, the Merry Christmas one, like where I did the Home Alone acts. Do you guys want me to do more acting? Yeah, I want to know that kind of stuff. Like, what do you guys want me to do more on this channel? And if you give me a comment, then I will happily do so. But don't forget to please subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit the notifications. Hit the notification bell. Make sure it's on all. And then like the video. And, yeah, that would be pretty nice. So, back to trying to get coins so I can get something called, this thing, blow dryer. I'm trying to get this hair dryer so I can push people off the map. Like push players off the map with this. That's typically what you're supposed to do. I just don't really like that. Seriously, that's why I wanted a blow dryer. Go, Professor! You're kidding. But what? How did I survive that? That was like the one time I survived that without moving. Huh? Oh, it's gonna explode. Okay, you're welcome. Watch out! Hop! Okay, so if you guys want to play this, just go on to Roblox and, just go on to Roblox and then, search up Don't Press the Button 4 and it will be right there. 1 second while I force my dog to the floor. Stop barking. Okay. Holy butt. Okay. Yeah, another thing that's good for a blow dryer is that you get to just throw the mummy off. Oh yeah, watch this. Boo! Boo! Ah. Boom. Boom. Gotta reach the top. I mean, like, it says so. Alright. Alright, so I'm at the top and nothing actually happens. It kind of sucks. Okay, time's gone. You hear that? That's me falling on stuff. Okay. Oh, it's a storm. That's why I'm moving so slow. Alright, reach. I don't wanna. Okay. So, guys, I think the RB Battle Swords thing is gone, but I've been trying to get all of them this entire time while you guys been gone. I've been trying to get the green one, but the green one requires a computer. And sadly, oh my gosh. Sadly, I can't do that. There's a little problem. I don't really have a computer anymore that I can play. Oh my gosh! Stupid. So, I don't really have a computer anymore to play, but if I have... oh, okay. Okay, so if... I'm going to get a computer when I'm older so I can make sure that I can get a bunch of content with you guys. And hopefully... and I was hoping that we could... that you guys could watch me on computer instead, and you could suggest maybe Among Us or more stuff, but I'm actually going to do another video after this because I want to go into Among Us and play the airship for you guys, because the airship is actually the one that just came out, if you guys didn't know. So if you want to play Among Us, go to the Google Play Store, or install it if you haven't already, and then after installing it, I want you guys to after installing it, I want you to search up Among Us, and then when you search up Among Us, then you're all good to go. You just have to install, and there you go. Wait for it, and wait for it to install, and there you go. Ah! Hey, you're supposed to slip, not me. No, you're gonna slip. You're gonna slip. I'm gonna slip you. You're going to slip. Okay, whatever. So, yeah, after you do that. Also, knowledge is here. See, look, here in my garage, my new Lamborghini. You want to know what I love even more than my new Lamborghini? Give me the book! No. I didn't graduate thanks to the person who did that. Stop standing on the stupid book. I'm just waiting. Yup. Which one? Okay. Okay. So, if you guys want me to play this more, then it would be nice. Like, I really want to play this a lot more. If you guys want me to play Call of Duty more, then by all means, I'll do it. Like, I'll do anything to do what you guys want, because, like, I'll do whatever you guys want, no problem, because I want to make sure that this channel can get up to at least 10 or like, you know, at least 50 subscribers. That would be even more insane for me, because I love that. I would love it. Pooh. Just throw the mummy off, you weirdo. Here, I'm gonna look in here. Oh, there's a coin. That's what I wanted to know. Go through here. I don't think there was any coins there, but I need to get as many coins as possible. There are mines. How did you know, game? I don't know. Pretty weird how you knew, but okay, whatever. I need all the coins. My coins. They have to be mine, because then I can get a blow dryer sooner or later. Okay, please stop slipping on that stupid thing. It took me like 2 hours to get 1,000, so I'm suggesting maybe like I really need to put this into a second video. I don't know how I'm gonna make a 1-hour video with you guys and put it on YouTube, but whatever. Yay! It's a storm, and I have a big brain. Big brain! Okay, so who wants to slip on the banana? Ah! Okay, never mind. Who wants to survive? I didn't think so. You made the wrong choice. You made the wrong choice. Yeah. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Somebody was blessed and got higher walk speed. I just want coins. Get the money. Get money. Oh, this is gonna be simple. Yeah, you all die. Watch this. Boom. That's mine. I'm gonna live anyway. I'll live anyway. It doesn't say I'm dying in the top right, so that's because I already got something called Bloxy Cola. I already have it. I'm literally eating the can. Oh, it's a giant volcano. I need to show you guys this cool thing. Watch this. This will be the first banana to ever go inside a volcano. Yay! 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 The first banana to go in the volcano. Yay! Double banana! Double nana! Double nana! Ah! Watch out, silly God has a bomb. Thank you. It's to a banana. Watch out, silly goat has a bomb. Again? Okay. Same person, same thing. I don't want my brain to disassemble. No disassemble? No disassemble. Ah, frick you! I wanted those coins. It's not gonna come over here. It goes in the circle first. Yep. Little star. Oh. Please don't land here. Ah! Bah! Shoulda, stop! In the Lord, you will die in my body. Okay, good. Oh my gosh. Bella, shut up, you idiot! Bella, come here! Come here! I need you to submit. There's nobody at the door. Ah. Please don't end the button pushed thing. Please don't end. Be careful, there are mines. I want coins. Okay, end. Any coins? Looks like no. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wait here. Here. Din 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 din. Din 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 din. Din 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 din. My coin! My coin! Mine! No! Find a hole in the wall. No, I don't think so. Watch this. This is like... Yeah, that would saw off my feet. I don't want to die. But... Yay. Now I can stay down here while everybody tries to get up. And I just wait for coins to spawn so I can grab them. Hey! Coinville! Coin! Come on, I need all the coins. I might have to end the video soon. Okay, guys, I'm gonna actually end the video, but if you guys enjoyed, I'm gonna keep making more videos on this because I want the blow dryer. I'm still gonna be playing this off recording. But if you guys have enjoyed, then please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell, and turn it on all, please. I love that. I love all that stuff. Please, just subscribe to the channel. Okay? Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one.